Howdy, y'all. Welcome to the Miscellaneous channel. Talking to you about all the topics in our world. Remember to smash the subscribe button down below. Ring the bell, click like, and leave a comment to help out your YouTube algorithm. Have you seen the new Samsung Galaxy S20 with 5G? Do you want it? How can you use it? The Samsung Galaxy S20 has a 108 megapixel camera. Wow, that's impressive. 100x zoom means you can really zoom in super far. This phone has an incredible camera. There's also an improved night mode for your camera. And artificial intelligence comes to your rescue for stabilizing your images and videos. Video recording is at a whole nother level on this phone with a built-in 8K video resolution. Remember that 5G means screaming fast speeds for your uploads and downloads. With 1 terabyte of storage and your 5,000 milliamp battery, you have super long phone battery life and plenty of storage. Let's check out Call of Duty and pubG Mobile on the Samsung Galaxy S20. It's super smooth and totally delicious. A special thank you goes out to you, yes you, for watching this video. Remember to smash the subscribe button down below, ring that bell, click like, and leave a comment to help out your YouTube algorithm.